Welcome to this channel. Today I will show you step by step how I make wood carvings. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like or a comment. That would help me a lot to grow and be able to reach more people who want to learn this wonderful art. Remember that if you have questions you can write them to me in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. Generally, the type of wood I use for the carvings that I bring you in my videos is mahogany. But you can also use oak. Both woods have textures that are excellent for carving, both with a router and with gouges or knives. They almost always ask me about the type of router bits I use or the router and which one I recommend. In the descriptions of all my videos I will be leaving the names and purchase links so you can have everything you need for your own project. Anyway, ask what you need and I will be happy to answer you.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward.